I think, ma'am, in another question that I was trying to address, first of all, is the group discussion. What would be the topic? Topic can be any. We often have a box of topic numbers in it, and the student takes out a chit. The student will read out a number from that chit, and corresponding to that number is our file where we will say this is the particular topic. It could be current topic. It could be anything that is happening in the globe. It could be anything that is happening in India. It could be anything related to the Economic Survey of India. It could be a newspaper related. It could be social, economic. Most of the topics are something which are related to Indian or the global environment. And when I say environment, it could be related to the finance part of it, economics part of it, or even things like poverty, food security, development oriented topics. Climate sustainability is very important. How are corporates going to ensure that there is climate sustainability? It could be CSR. It could be even related to the Industry 4 revolution. What is the role of artificial intelligence? What is Internet of Things? It can be just any. So, trying to prepare for the group discussion topic simply means that you have to be reading the newspapers on a regular basis. And if you're a regular reader, I'm sure the students will be able to speak and put forth their arguments when the group discussion takes place. Second, ma'am, I've already mentioned it is not the amount that you're going to speak. So never ever assume that quantum matters. But if you don't speak at all, that is also against. So you have to understand, put forward your arguments in a mature manner, in a managerial fashion, listen to others while making others listen to you. And if you realize after 2 minutes a particular concept is practically getting a closure, not heading forward, getting too stretched, then that is where you put in a different aspect on the same topic so that the discussion can get reoriented. Often students think that if I have started the group discussion, then I'm going to get more marks. And if I've ended the conclusion, that probably I'm going to get more marks. While, yes, from a perceptional point of view, the person who starts speaking has an inherent first come advantage because he's the first to speak. But if you are unable to keep pace and memento, as well as the quality of your arguments, it goes against you. So sometimes, if you don't know much about a particular topic, it is better to listen to the others for the first 40-50 seconds, then try to formalize your arguments. Thought process should be refined, and then you speak up. And as I mentioned, ma'am, your respect for colleagues and even the way in which you are sitting and conducting yourself matters when we are giving marks on the group discussion. Being aggressive up to a certain extent can be tolerable. Where you have to see the line is going to end is up to the student to understand. But if you cross the line, somewhere a negativity is with that group discussions commences. But again, I'm saying, ma'am, most of the students today are so knowledgeable, but the human side and working in a team spirit is often lacking. So I would urge my students, whosoever are the aspirants for any of the group discussion, learn to be tolerable, while at the same time, you must also bring forward your leadership qualities and your new thought processes which are associated with the group discussion. And we value variety and quality and conduct over just the quantum of words that you have spoken.